In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your first GoHighLevel community. By the end, you'll have a clean, branded community space ready for your members, and you'll understand the key choices that make it look professional and easy to navigate. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard and head into the memberships area. This is the home for all things related to your courses, products, and member spaces. Once you're there, open communities. Think of communities as your hub for group discussions, announcements, and ongoing engagement. It keeps conversations organized and tied to your membership experience. Next, select the option to create a new community. This opens the setup panel where you'll define the essentials. Begin by naming your group. Choose a clear, memorable name that reflects who the community is for and what value it offers. Keep it concise, consistent with your brand, and avoid jargon that newcomers might not recognize. Add your group URL. This is the unique link your members will use to access the community. Use a short, readable slug, typically lowercase with hyphens instead of spaces, to make it easy to share and remember. A clean URL also looks more professional on marketing materials. Write a group description that sets expectations. In a few sentences, explain who the group serves, what members will find inside, and the tone of the space. You can mention the types of posts you'll share, like updates, resources, or Q&A. Keep it inviting and specific, so new members immediately understand the value. Upload a favicon. This small icon appears in the browser tab and helps your community feel branded and trustworthy at a glance. A simple, high-contrast mark in a square format works best, and a transparent background is ideal. Add a cover image to create a strong first impression. This is your banner area, so use a wide image that represents your brand. Choose something crisp and uncluttered, with readable text if you include a headline. Keep file size optimized, so pages load quickly. Upload your logo. A square or circular version looks great and stays legible at smaller sizes. Make sure it complements your cover image without crowding it. When everything looks good, click Create Group. GoHighLevel will spin up your new community space and you'll land on the group's dashboard. Take a quick look to confirm your name, URL, and visuals appeared as expected. From here, you're ready to welcome members and start posting content that sets the tone for meaningful engagement. That's it. Your first GoHighLevel community is live and branded. Great job building a space your audience will love.